Walk, keep on walking straight, straight to the hell we made. Why always